What's up guys, Syiler here with a new series for you. We'll see how it goes and see how long it'll last. But this is going to be a series covering various different add-ons that you may or may not have heard of and different options and ways to set it up, and any questions you got about the add-on I'll find out and answer it for you. So if you're stuck with a certain add-on, you need it to do a certain thing that you don't know how, I'll get that sorted. So the first add-on we're going to cover is Skinner. So as you can see, this is the default version of WoW. This is how it looks. It's okay. We've all seen it before, plenty of times. Now the add-on I'm going to show you completely changes the basic sort of layout of the WoW. Now it's called Skinner, and as you can see now, the bars at the bottom are black, and my character pane's black. The interface is all black. So yeah, it just gives you a new skin to your basic UI. So if you have a custom UI or you're just bored of the general basic UI, you can get this add-on and it'll completely change it all. Now Skinner does have quite a lot of customization within it. You can set it up to change the colours, you can set it up to work with various things. Like if we turn on the extraction bars, oh, we actually need to set them to show them first of all. There we go. So like that. As you can see, it doesn't skin with them, but there is an option to get it to skin with all the extraction bars as well. But it will skin with the basic bar at the bottom to start off with. And we can also change the background, the different colours. We can set it to show with the minimap. If you're one of those OCD people that likes your UI nice and tidy, you can turn off the minimap icon. You can the general settings of like turning off errors and warnings and things like that. You can change the scale of the basic UI. We can also change the different colours under the background and the colours one. You can also, if you have a custom UI and you have a texture to your UI, you'll be able to put your texture into this UI as well and use that with this skin. Now that's a bit more complex, so you need to know what you're doing with textures and things like that if you do that, but by me saying that, I'm under the impression that you already know what you're doing. You can set it to work with certain things. You can set it to, so for example, if we tick all these, it'll change my player frames. So top left now, you see the unit frames have changed. They've now got the hunt, like where my character is, it's now like a new box. Now, I don't quite like the look of that. We also ticked to do the UI buttons, which made the buttons now black as well instead of red. So if you go under modules, you can set that. If you go under this, you can turn it so that certain NPC windows either change or stay the same. So for example, if you turn off merchant, then the general goods store will just have the basic one. You can set it to work with player frames, in raids, in PvP, talents. You can set it with the UI, so the calendar, the map, all those kind of things. And also, it works with custom add-ons. So, well, the majority of popular custom add-ons anyway. And you'll also be able to disable it working with custom add-ons within this menu as well. So, for example, if you've got click, you'll be able to go in and disable it with click. So, overall, it's quite good. It just basically gives you a new theme to your UI. If you prefer the basic UI but you don't, then this will give you a new look to the basic UI basically. Or once again, if you do have a custom UI and you want black instead of the basic sort of WoW windows and things like that, then this is a good add-on for you as well. If we go to the colours, you can set it to show class colours. So if we do tick that and reload the UI, then it will set the colours to match what class you're playing. So as I'm playing a hunter, things will now have more of a green look to them. So it's black with like a green outline. And if we go back to colours, and if we change the background colour to like a blue, and the border colour to a red, for example, it'll look horrible, but we need to have disabled class colours for that to work first of all. Let's quickly disable class colours. Disable that. And then if we change the colours again, so put that to blue. Oops. Put that to a blue. Put this to a red. And then reload the UI. by doing /reload. Most of the changes that you make to the UI, you'll have to do a /reload for them to update. But as you see now, it's a blue with a red outline. Doesn't look anywhere near as nice as the black and one, but hey, you can put it to whatever colour that needs to meet your UI basically. So I hope you've enjoyed this add-on review. It changes quite a lot, but it's very basic and lightweight add-on. If you want to see more add-ons, if you have a suggestion for the next add-on I cover, let me know. If not, I'll just keep picking random add-ons I think are quite cool but underrated, or the ones that a lot of people don't really know about, or have seen it but don't know where to get it. So there'll be a link in the description to get this. Don't forget to thumbs, fave and subscribe, and look out for more guides coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya!